Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, L. The next one is M, O, P, Q, Q, R. Kids, now we open colors. Light green color. The next one is brown color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. The next one is dark pink color. Yes. Silver color. Silver color. Orange color. Orange color. Yes. Light pink color. The next one is blue color. Blue color. Stay with us. Yellow color. Persian blue color, red color, white color. Stay with us. Yes, black color. And the last one is dark green color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. First we're using the color of orange, and now we're writing capital letter alphabets of A. Kids, the next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow. Now we draw the alphabet of D. The next one is E. F. F for fish, F for fan. So kids, now we're using the color of black. So dark. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. And the next one is H. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. The next one is K. Now we draw the alphabet of L. L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Now we are using the color of dark pink color. Dark pink color. M. M for moon. M for mango. N. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw the alphabet of P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. The last one is R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.